Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. If you ever wanted to make a clean home screen layout on your CMF Phone 2 Pro, then this tutorial is for you. We can go from this one to this one in just a couple of seconds. So, let me start. Here, as you guys can see, we have the worst, in my opinion, the worst lock screen layout. So I'll show you how to easily change it to make it look minimalistic, just like this one. So first, what we need to do is we need to get rid of widgets. We can let two of them stay, but the third one just got to go, so let me remove it. Now this big folder, I don't think that's something you would actually use because you have an app drawer, so it's much faster. So let me quickly remove the folder. Now here we have the D&D, so I'll remove this widget. And here we have some apps that we won't probably use, so we need to remove them too. Here is the app I would choose to stay on the screen. This is the space. As you guys can see, here we have this little action button, and here we can take a screenshot, add a note, something like that. Here, let me say hello. And here, as you guys can see, it's saved. So yes. Now the Google Play Store, we will use that from the app drawer. This is it's probably workspace, yes. So this, we don't need it. Now this little folder, I think we can let it stay here. And now we need to get rid of this app too. So as you guys can see, now it looks something like this. Here you can also try and change your wallpaper, like your customization. Here you can choose the colors. As you guys can see, we're gonna go with the dark theme. And here we can choose the wallpapers. Now we need to click done, and as you guys can see, now it looks like this. So I think it's much better than what it was before. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.